Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add your Form 1095 to Turbotax. First, log into your Turbotax account and navigate to the Federal Taxes section. Then, find the Health Insurance Marketplace Forms area. This form is crucial for reporting your health coverage and calculating any premium tax credit. Having your physical or digital Form 1095 handy will make the process smooth and efficient. We will guide you through each step to ensure accurate entry. Once you are in the correct section, you will begin entering the specific details from your Form 1095A. Pay close attention to the policy number and the monthly premium amounts listed in Part 2. These figures are essential for accurate calculations. Also, be sure to input the second lowest cost Silver Plan premium, which is typically found in column B of Part 2. Double-check all entries to prevent errors and ensure your tax return is correct. Sometimes, a Form 1095 covers multiple individuals who file separate tax returns. If this applies to you, TurboTax will prompt you to allocate the policy amounts. You will need to enter the percentage of the premiums and the second lowest cost Silver Plan premium that you are claiming. This ensures each filer correctly reports their portion. After entering, review the summary to see your calculated premium tax credit or repayment amount. Before finalizing your return, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you have entered from your Form 1095A. Ensure that all numbers, especially the monthly premiums and the second lowest cost Silver Plan premium, match your document precisely. An accurate entry here prevents potential delays or issues with your tax return. Once satisfied, you can confidently proceed with the remaining steps in TurboTax to complete your filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.